Hello, everybody. Uh, we are Paola, Christian, and Rafael, and today we are going to take about our plans for our next summer vacation. Last week, we take about our worst summer vacation when everything went wrong. Our hotel was dirty. The weather was and we faced tearing and frustrated about this time. Everything is going to completely different, and we are very excellent to share our planet with you.
Next summer, we are going to travel to Rio de Janeiro in Brazil. It is one of the most beautiful cities in South America, and the beaches there are better and cleaner than the ones we visited before. We are going to travel by plane, and we are going to arrive in the morning. Then we are going to take a taxi to a hotel that is more comfortable and better than the one we stayed in last year. This time, we are not going to choose a cheap hotel because we want to enjoy our vacation.
We are also going to do main activities and we are going to visit Company Bam Beach and in Pamina Beach and we are going to swim and play volleyball. And then we are going to take a tour to the Great Redeemer, which is one of the most famous places in the world. And we are also going to try Brazilian food like pam, queso and feijão. We are not going to eat at the restaurant late because we don't want to wait get uh, a
For, for our trip, we are going to take comfortable clothes, sunglasses, sunscreen, hats, and a swimsuit. I am also going to take my camera because I want to record everything. Compared to our last vacation, this one is going to be happier, safer, and more relaxing. We are going to enjoy every moment and have fun together.
We are also planning some sport and leisure activities. We are going to go hiking, and we are going to surfing for the first time. I I I think surfing is going to be more exciting than any activity we did last year.
and now our prediction we are shot that the summer vacation is going to be the best vacation of our life. Something amazing is going to happen. We are going to create unforgettable memories together.